spicy,
tangy,
or even mild. Time to get served up the up style. Today's ingredients are canned corn, your choice of hot chips, mayonnaise, cup.
So first step is you want to grab your canned corn and dump it into a nice clean container.
Put your mayonnaise in the container with the canned corn. And my assistant here is going to crush up the hot chips.
The hot chips of your choice. You want to crush them up really fine, or enough that they're able to be spread into the cup. After you're done crushing up your chosen chips, you want to layer your corn and then the chips. From the top.
She's adding the cheese. So we're gonna layer the corn. First, you're gonna want to First, you're gonna want to put your corn on the bottom. Then you're gonna want to put. It's okay, Kernel.
After you layer your corn onto the bottom of the cup, you want to add your cheese. And then you want to add your chip of hot.
And then you're going to do that all over again. And my assistant here is going to do that with the Takis. Close up.
Ooh. Here is the chef that made this cup. This will be the chef that makes the next cup.
Yo, why is she just looking through the window? So our director of our class is currently looking through the window. Make sure we are watching.
Oh.
Why are you showing? Now look, she's right there, she's right there. Look at Ricky.
Alright, back to cooking. Wait.
Why is it just like that?
Good. Amazing. Star, a camera woman.
Hello.
How is it? Rate it. How is it? How is it? How is it? Great. And then we are starring guests. Extra bonus pointer. How is it?
There's a McDonald's and a Pentagon. Not open.
Yeah.
I don't know.
How do you like to be bred? I mean fed.